Good morning, stock smart people. Now, fresh day, fresh coffee, fresh market. Looks like Baba and Tesla are still getting some attention, as they should. It seems proper that those are the investments that would start coming back. Also, Nvidia. Nvidia is a good one that we can go check out. But we're looking at Kroger's right now, and the only thing we've got a SMA pulled up. We've got our highest price pulled up, and we've got our cone of expire, our probability of expiring cone. I've been calling it the cone of expiring doom. So, but anyway, yeah, fun stuff. And then this SMA here, which is a 6 SMA over a 200. Okay. RSI 2, oversold 5, RSI overbought 95, okay? This is an average type of a Wilders, but we can change it to Hull, weighted, whatever we, would like. Simple also works very well. So now looking at Kroger's, we would have gotten this signal or this signal as our confirmation to get in, and that would have been right after we got our very, very bottom with the Arun, okay? So we're going to be reading the Arun indicator, finding your tops and your bottoms and your dips and your, so I'm going to teach you guys to do that. All right, so what else is on our list? McKesson, okay. It's a good entry there, solid exit there. Good entry there, here. I mean, this, you might have had to hold through, but, good exit here or here, good stuff. This is a 25-tick chart, and we don't know how this price is really moving, but to be perfectly honest, in most cases, if you have the ability to see, say volume or strength and price, why does it need to be present within the candle and somewhere else on the chart too? It really doesn't. Otherwise, it's just present for confusion. As we see this opportunity here, this bottom happens, we get a very good entry as a ghost bar, okay? But then even when we start hitting here and here and here, it's accumulation. It's just accumulating for more, okay? Yeah, a little sell-off. Someone sold off a few shares. But then, boom, ran right back up. Same thing. So let's look out for what's going to happen today. We are still in overbought territory. So when this Arun became above positive, above the 50% level, and they spread apart at the widest where they were both equal, Arun equal to, let's just say, 100, and down equal to 0. Now that is a signal that usually will set computers off, but honestly they have broken it up so very much that you can't catch it. So I've tried, and I'm not saying it can't be done, I'm just saying that probably my computer can't do it. So I have a little bit of an oldie. Still a goodie and a greatie, but she's a little old now. And where she once did see her days in a state-of-the-art building, with unsurpassed technology and ability, let's just say anything built from, that could possibly be 8 years old, 10 years old is outdated. We're talking like maybe first gen i7s. But still a beast. So, as long as that beast is running, oh man, we're good to go. And really, I think if I just got another graphics card and upgraded from the, say the original one I know came in the computer, it would be fine. But I mean, goodness, trying to find just a better graphics card. I mean, I think I've only got like a 610 or a 730 in it. It doesn't have anything in it. I've mined a little bit with it. I do a little mining with it with the CPU and GPU while I sleep, and it doesn't make much money. You know, you might be able to, if I turned all of my computers on, I'd probably make $10 a day. So, yeah, fun stuff. But that's a one PC. You need to get, 6 rigs up there in mining. And it seems like many of these had fire-offs on Thursday. Thursday was the day that they all went overbought. If you look, I mean, Thursday was the move. As you can see, Thursday was the move. Okay, so you definitely want to subscribe to the channel and be aware of the types of things that you have access to here. Don't be fooled. Choose for yourself. We're free people. We have our own minds. I get upset at the little 5-minute video where someone can hop right on and say a few cue words, make their chat box go insane because they're using chat bots, which is, just wrong. Good show, but it is wrong. It's a social manipulation at the fullest. So, I'm surprised YouTube doesn't know when people are using chat bots. Or at least they probably just don't catch it quick enough. I don't know. I do wonder. Okay. All of our Arun oversold. As you can see, Syntax Group, you're oversold. All right? But when you're watching oversold, you're hitting a bottom. After you've hit your bottom, look for a recovery. Okay, now on this 25 tick chart, I don't know why this is there. Gap, GPS should not be there. But if that's gap close, Banana Republic, Old Navy, okay, well, let's go put GPS on our list of the I'm buying stocks. Okay, so I have a list of stocks that I always like to show interest in, and if I am to go buy one, I put them here. All right. So, GPS. All right. So these are all of the stocks that I watch personally. This is my little look at the things that I spy. My poisonals. All right. This signal right here. Look what happened after it went off. Now, had you taken the algorithmic approach using just the Arun, still you would have gotten in right here at the crossover or maybe above, and then you had nothing but consolidation and just wait until it ran again, okay? And that's because of, people and traders and blah, blah, blah. They're aware of those signals too. And these blowout signals, these squeezes, these pops, so they have to mix them up. Now, one other thing we can do is cut the period down. 5 days, 1 week. So do 5 day, 5 minute, and then do a 5 period rune, and now you'll see things a little more candlestickish, all right? And this is what I mean by getting too accurate. If anyone went back and saw the CMO too accurate video, this is why, okay? Because you can tune your bots down to the finest pinpoint, but then they're too accurate, they work too well, they're too confusing, it's not realistic. And you couldn't use it, you couldn't keep up with it, and you would have to definitely have a computer automating that service for you. Now, they have that. The banks have that. They can do that. They can make money in between each of those bars, each of those pennies. That's their job. But there's a reason why we drop our microphone. But there's a reason why, of course, we don't get that option or luxury. But we do. And that is, let's just say, rolling strategies. Or one cancels the other. Now, we could jump into now, I don't know if you can do rolling strategies in the on-demand account or not. I may have to go in and try to set up a couple OTO orders and see if you can roll them out just in there, because I'm not going to set them up here in my regular account and then we're not going to do it just for fun. So, if I decide that, okay, I will buy 50, to 10 shares here and 50 more shares if it goes up 5-10 more cents, and I'll take another 100 shares if it goes up a little bit more. But just to fill the whole order or whatever it is, or we're not. Let's not go out and design a plan to give your money to the market. That's silly. But you can take advantage of things that you see like that. Okay. Now, when you get good at reading your options. All right, let's see here. Come here, trade. Let's see, we're looking at GPS. Charts. Let's zoom out here. Daily and weekly. We can see maybe when some of our, expiries are. Okay, some of those dates. Let's see, daily. I need to get rid of that 5-year whatever weekly one. That one's pointless. Okay. Probability analysis and risk profile. Okay. One of these, is one that we need to learn to read. Okay. Your probability analysis is your cone. Okay. That's why I like putting it up there. You get to see your expiries. All right. Your economic data. Think back. Fundamentals. Okay. So you can go through here and learn some of your basics of what they are, the businesses, the areas, what's traded, blah, blah, blah. But, of course, if we did add simulated trades. Okay, so if we can just click this button and do add simulated trades, or Alt-1, it looks like. Nice hotkey setup there. Excellent. Option chain. Okay, filter. Expiry types, side, call, put, regular, quarterlies, weeklies, deliverables, regular, non-standard, mini, no clue what that is, days to expiry, figure we would want at least a month, strike price, pick your strike price, exchange, okay, oh, I see. So when I see BATS and Philix and Amex and all that, because I don't see C2 box or that in the lowers, but I do see these. I don't see SIBO there much either, but either way, I don't see SIBO, C2, or box. I might see NYSE, NASDAQ, ISE, Amex, Phil, BATS. I see them filling orders. Maybe that's why. Okay. Interesting. Okay, now we get our spread. All right. Come over here, check that spread out. So you get single, vertical, back ratio, calendar, diagonal, straddle. Looks like strangle. Okay. Covered stock, collar, synthetic combo. I bet people hit them with the combo a lot. Boom, boom. Hit them with the 1-2. The 99 strike kill. What do they call that? Yeah, come on now. Mortal Kombat. Flawless finish. Get over here. Condor, Iron Condor, vertical roll, collar with a stock, double diagonal, double calendar, straddle, and strangle swap. Okay. Unbalanced butterfly, see, unbalanced condor, iron condor, and vertical roll. These are the ones that I'm mostly noticing are these unbalanced ones, but I'm probably calling them as cup and handles, and it's completely wrong. I mean, come on. Okay. Now, 1 month, 1 strike. Single vertical. 1 month, 2 strike. 1 month, 4 strike. 2 month. All right. Interesting. Wait a minute. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a big fall. Humpty Dumpty sees that less of these exist the further down you go, and they all are turning into maybe certain types of patterns. So these must be the things that you go this far out, that's what people are optioning to happen. All right. So let's have some people jump in on the conversation here, help us out, help us learn, help the Stock Smart Investing channel, grow itself with a broader base of knowledgeable people. We can't do it all, but we sure are going to try. Okay. Looks like weeklies. Now, I see that people trade weeklies a lot. Okay. Today's option statistics. Trade analysis calls. Puts. Total. Sizzle index 0.49. Call sizzle index 5.0. Put sizzle 0.46. Volatility sizzle 0.87. Interesting. Stock sizzle 5.9. And PC ratio 0.2. Looks like implied volatility, VWAP 32.511. Okay. Traded at bid or below 22%. Traded at ask or above. Ooh. All right. Well. Traded at bid or below is good. That means you got a good deal. Anytime I come in, I don't just buy the market. I look. I see where it's headed. I look for a spot that I'm comfortable buying in. I place my order, and it'll fill or it doesn't. Okay. So we've looked at gap here. We've spent plenty of time on that. Okay. FX report. Let's see. Strategy roller. What do we got here? Rolling strategies. On this account, there are no rolling strategies. Oh, I know that. Eligible positions. There are no eligible covered call positions on this account. This is very true. I have no covered call positions. No options. I take no options before I understand no options. I serve no fries before their time. Back to the charts. Where I belong. All right. Apples to apples. Shall we pull out a strategy? Look for some direction. maybe even go into the strategies right here. You know, what do we want to see? Shout something out. Middle, high, low, moving average strategy, mean reversion swing, the MACD strategy. I don't really trust that one. I don't trust the MACD at all, or the RSI. Don't use them. Don't trust them. Don't like them. I mean, learned on them, started with them. Great to learn. I mean, actually, the MACD is probably one of the best for finding divergences and convergences. The RSI as well. Let's see, these Chende bots, they're old. I built those at the beginning of my my time. I need to go back and refresh them, reinvent them, and then bring them back out for the website. This Kapok study, that was very good. The Kapok long and short, that was a good one. It gave you some really, really good signals, and I wanted to combine that Kapok with some sort of harmonic, you know, study, whether it was zigzag, trend percent, wolf wave. Yeah, anybody wanting to talk about or combine Kapoks with wolf waves, let me know. I want to build a strategy with that, and I think we could come up with some really, really awesome parameters to make that work. Okay. Now the daily, weekly, and monthly pivots. This was one that I probably gave up on. Let's see what happens. Okay, oh goodness. Yeah, as you can see, I was getting busy here. Let's get rid of this Arun. And let's get rid of our Arun cross below 50, because I don't even think that's the actual parameter. I think that's written. But it could be. It is. Okay, cross below negative 50. All right, so if you want this lower Arun study for that particular dip buy, it is that easy. Just type that out. There's your freebie for the day. Okay. A good signal, though. A good short signal. I like it. It worked. Good cover signal. It worked. Okay. Excellent. Good Kapok study. All right, let's check out Tesla. Tesla. What do you call her? All right. Now we're also plotting daily, highly, weekly lows, all in here at the same time. So, but it looks like our last situation would have put us in a short at 692.7, and we would have covered it at 693.61, and it would have, you know, that would have been on our shares a $207.60 profit. Excellent. All right, now let's just go back here and let's check our strategy here for what we have pulled up and see how that would have worked, okay? Because we're not looking up the highest. I mean, it's there, but we're also doing that with another study now, so we can get rid of that. Let's look up the highest. This is from previous. It's just to see where the very top is within a 14 period, and you can go in and change that. Look up the high, low, close, open. Oh, wow. I did not know that before. Thank you, Thinkorswim. You guys are flipping awesome. Yes. Oh, I like that. Tickle me pink. I get to go in and... Tee-hee. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome. See, always making changes for their people. I mean, you can't. Yeah, I can't thank them enough. They are a constantly, you know, improving platform. The thing is, I really wish Charles Schwab was like that too. You know, you should be able to download the program for free. or at least when you open your account, they should send you the program. You should be able to open it and use it. But I understand why they do the, make a deposit before you get the program. But I think Street Smart Edge should be also like free, like TD Ameritrade is. There's no reason why it shouldn't be. Yeah, I have a TradingView account open right here. I mean, that's my number one initiative. Yeah, you go right to the website, it's open. I mean, everywhere, everything is like that. So, but of course, I know that they are two completely different entities, Schwab and TD. So, I tout off to TD, but as soon as I decide to start buying penny stocks at a rate where I need a Charles Schwab account, which I don't know that I'm going to. Yeah. That's been a speculative decision, and really, you would hold a Schwab account for long-term investments, and for, of course, the return rate on the credit card and the bank account. And that would be probably 2.5%, 2.5%. You get about 5% total back on everything that you spent, just about, I believe. And I mean, that would be about the best way to do that. And then of course, then you can buy your stocks with it too. But anyway, we'll talk about the differences in the accounts and things like that, because it's almost time here to start setting my son up with his own bank account or trading account, which will be a bank account, and he'll be able to use it. So maybe Schwab would be a good investment for him. That would be the great first bank. So maybe we'll talk about that. And I think Schwab should have a hey, if you sign up a kid under 13 or a kid under 15, whatever, they get a free card in the mail or something. I'm sure the darn card's free, but anyway, something. Give kids an initiative to come join the bank and invest. Not, you know what I mean? Let's learn our kids fiscally responsible. That's important. So, some good ideas, but nobody's listening. Most people don't even watch my videos. It's a shame. There's a lot of really good information here. And with that said, I'll sign off. So, stick around and I'll catch you in the next video.